Today I want to talk to you about reading decimal numbers. Decimal numbers, remember, are less than 1, and we read them almost the same, but slightly differently. Go over the place values, you know the ones, the tens, the hundreds. The decimal we read as an and. Every time it's and, because it's telling us there's part of a whole coming. The first place value is tenths. I know, there is no such thing as oneths. Don't ever use that. Tenths with that THS on the end. Next comes the hundredths. And lastly, for this year, thousandths. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths place values are what we're going to be focusing on. Let's look at these numbers. They all are in the tenths. 0 and 7/10. I say the 7 just as if it were on its own, but then tell where it ends. I have 4 and 4/10 here, 10 and 6/10, 46 and 9/10, all ending in the tenths right after the decimal. This column here, we have everything ending in the hundredths. We're going to say this number, these two digits, as if it were on its own, and then we're going to tell you where it ends. All of these will end in hundredth. So we'll say 0 and 42 hundredths, 7 and 81 hundredths, 16 and 37 hundredths, 89 and, how do we say this? The 0 and the 4, if that were all by itself, you would call it 4. 89 and 4 hundredths. Nicely done. Taking a look over here, these are all thousandths. 0 and 123 thousandths, 6 and 709 thousandths. If this were by itself, we would say 640 coming up next. Be ready. 18 and 640 thousandths. And this over here says 24 and, take a look, it says 67 thousandths. Notice no matter where the zeros are, you're looking just at what the numbers would be if it were an actual digit with a value in a place. It does have value. Let's try these. They're in random order. Think about it, and I'll pause between each for you. 47 and 32 hundredths. 311 and 4/10. 46 and 129 thousandths. 1,726 and 38 thousandths. I know, got a little silly here. 1,427,001 and 97 hundredths. Remember to say the name and then name the last place value. You'll be in good hands. Good luck.